Are you drowning in debt but living on a low income? You're not alone. The good news is you can get out of debt faster with the right plan. Let's talk about how to take control of your finances one smart step at a time. Step 1. Create a realistic budget. This means tracking your income and every single expense. Know exactly what's coming in and what's going out. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. It's the foundation of your financial turnaround. Next, cut back on non-essential spending. You'd be surprised how much you're spending on little things. Coffee, takeout, subscriptions. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can put towards your debt. Now let's talk about income. If you can, boost your income with a side hustle. Freelancing, delivery apps, pet sitting, or sell unused items online. Even an extra $50 a week makes a difference when it goes towards your debt. Need help staying consistent? Grab my Ultimate Budget Planner, designed to help you track every dollar, set goals, and stay on top of your progress. The link is in the description. Paying off debt on a low income isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible. Every cutback, every smart choice, every dollar repurposed brings you closer to financial freedom. Ready to take charge of your money? Start budgeting, reduce your expenses, boost your income, and stay focused. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and check out the Ultimate Budget Planner below. You've got this.